Good morning, my dear students. In today's class of English, we are going to study yet uh, one of the three short compositions that we have, and that is your posters. So we have done notice, we have done advertisements, and now we are doing posters. So you already know how to go about it, but then let us just know how posters are done. What are posters? Why do we make posters? What is the purpose of having them? And when we do them or attempt them as a question in CBSE, what's the weightage, what is the distribution of marks, and how it is done. So to begin with, first things first, it's a short composition of 4 marks, and the breakup is like this. So for your format it's 1 mark, for content it is 2 marks, for language accuracy, for your expression and your grammatical errors and everything, it is 1 mark. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, that comes to 4 marks. So a poster in a short composition, whether you're in class 11 or in 12, it is of 4 marks. So see, you would already know what posters are. We see so many posters, in hoardings and posters. So the basic idea is that if you just go through what is written here, that it is an effective, powerful and visually attractive means. Visually attractive. That's the major thing here. The poster catches attention. It is supposed to be very, very attractive and visually very appealing to the eyes. Alright. So, and obviously you make some sort of announcement. You make a public appeal, or you advertise about a product, or you are creating some sort of awareness among the people or any topic of public interest. So see, we would see posters of upcoming movies, we would see posters of brands, some coaching classes, anything that needs some kind of advertising or awareness. So the basic thing while you are drafting a poster is that it has to be very attractive, it has to be done in phrases, and visual attractiveness is the most important thing here. Okay, so that's the most important point to bear in mind. So what is the main aim of the poster? So the main aim is to make a fervent appeal about something. Okay, it is usually put up on bulletin boards to attract the immediate attention of the people. It is always visually attractive and easily readable from a distance. Another important point, that posters are readable from a distance. पोस्टर देखने के लिए, समझने के लिए हमें उसके पास जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट इज़ बिग, इट इज़ रीडेबल, एंड फ्रॉम क्वाइट अ डिस्टेंस आपको पोस्टर या होर्डिंग अगर आप देखेंगे तो आपको पता लग जाएगा व्हाट इज़ द पोस्टर अबाउट, व्हाट इज़ द मैसेज दैट इट कैरीज, व्हाट इज़ द अपील दैट इट इज़ मेकिंग, और व्हाट इज़ द प्रोडक्ट दैट इट इज़ एडवर्टाइजिंग. सो इट इज़ visually attractive and yes, it is readable. Alright, so political parties, institutions, religious organizations spend a lot of money on the production and display of catchy posters. So it has to be catchy. Event managers, advertising agencies, public relations and health departments, environment protection and conservation agencies make extensive use of posters. Who all get into the drafting of posters? All these agencies. Posters are designed keeping in mind the target audience. So our poster will be designed keeping in mind that who is the target audience. So let's say if I'm catering to children, so my poster will be very, very funny. The language will be very, very simple. It will be very, very attractive. If I'm catering to adults, then again my content is going to be different. If I'm catering to some senior citizens, then my needs and requirements would change according to the audience that we are catering to. So that needs to be borne in mind always. So visuals and slogans are chosen accordingly. There are posters for sales, exhibitions, fetes, fashion shows, concerts and cultural programs, etc. So this is what posters are. Now what is the purpose of drafting a poster? So we are either announcing a cultural show, we are talking about an exhibition, a workshop, a fair, some lucky draw, any sort of information that you want to give it across, any sort of announcement. Okay. Next is, why do we make posters? To create awareness. You want to make the public aware about some problem. It could be rehab, it could be saving water, it would be keeping the environment green, it could be anything. And the third one would be to warn or caution against some danger. If you want to warn people against some danger, you would go and draft a poster. Now, how is the layout when you look at a poster? How is it supposed to be? So a poster should be eye-catching. See, so again here we had the word catchy here, and visually attractive. Okay, it should have a catchy title in the form of a slogan or a jingle. Okay, so there should be a very catchy title which catches your attention. Okay, or there could be a slogan, for example, Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. Okay, or there could be a jingle. So there could be, what are jingles? Jingles are like those small songs that are sung for the advertisements. Okay, so that could be a jingle that can be attached or written there. It should have some attractive sketch and visual, again the same thing, and it should use fonts of different sizes. So information in big, small, catchy fonts can be given there. Now, what should your content be like? Because the content will be having 2 marks. So the theme or the subject should be very clear. Your poster should be able to convey the information the moment you read it. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि पोस्टर देख करके सोचना पड़ रहा है कि अरे what is the poster trying to say? No. The moment you see a poster, you should know it is giving the message very clearly. Description related to the subject should be given. Yes. There should be details like time, date, venue, in case there is an event. The name of the issuing authority must be given. And this is the most important thing, that at the end of the poster you have to give the name of the issuing authority. That's very, very important. And what are the guidelines that are being given to us? Be brief but clear. You have to be precise, short. पूरा लिख नहीं सकते हम essay in a poster. Make your poster attractive and eye-catching. Once again, use appropriate slogans and visuals. Arrange content in an appealing manner. बहुत अच्छे से display होना चाहिए. Mention relevant contact details so that people can contact you. And don't forget to mention the name of the issuing authority. Once again, it is being highlighted here that the name of the issuing authority has to be given. Now let's see the format for which we have 1 mark. The theme, topic, event should be there. Purpose and occasion should be there. Date, time and place should be there in case it's an event. Conveying the message of appeal, it should be creating awareness, warning, or if it's an invitation. It should have catchy slogans and captions. And again, once again, I've highlighted here, name of the individual organization issuing the poster. Who has issued the poster? That name is very, very important, and it needs to go at the end of the poster. Otherwise, your marks will get deducted. So see children, it's very important that you give the name of the issuing authority at the end of the poster. And here also 1, 2, 3 times they have stressed on the fact that the name of the issuing authority is extremely important. So now, since we just went through what is the poster, what's the purpose, layout, content, guidelines, formats, let us look at some solved samples of a poster. Now see here, I can show you from a distance. So this is a poster highlighting the hazards of smoking. So can you see the layout? It's quite a big poster, and the main heading is it's been placed in the center. Smoking causes lung cancer and death. Okay, and here on both the sides they have mentioned the high points. For example, wasteful expenditure, others, shun your company, loss of concentration, loss of appetite, addiction, difficulty in breathing. It causes cough, leads to indigestion, heart diseases, sleeplessness, discomfort, irritation in throat, weakness, passivity and dullness. And here it says give up smoking. They have put up for us a little some sort of composition over here in terms of a picture. And in the end, the most important thing, who has issued this poster? Ministry of Health, Punjab Government, Chandigarh. Now you would say, ma'am, के question में तो कुछ नहीं दिया था. Okay, it was just draft a poster highlighting the hazards of smoking. So yes, you have to create the name of the organization, whether it's there in the question or not. It's very important. Okay, let us look at the next poster. Draft a poster to spread awareness about noise pollution. तो हमारा heading क्या हो गया? Stop noise pollution. Loud noise is irksome, troublesome and irritating. Loud noise causes headache and hypertension. The points of that, the demerits of noise pollution, the health troubles that it shoots. So causes headaches and hypertension, pollutes environment, causes hearing loss, disturbs patients, disturbs sleep. And then they have given certain solutions also to control noise pollution: ban the use of late night loudspeakers, disallow pressure horns and create noise-free zones. They have given it to you over here. And then again in the end, issued by Seva Welfare Society, Jalandhar. I have highlighted for you the issuing authorities because it is very, very important to put the issuing authority at the end when the poster is completed. So I have discussed two posters. Now look at the layout, children. How beautifully, such a big box. The information is so properly, placed. Look at the fonts. Some information is big and highlighted while the other is small. Look how nicely it has been, placed. And it is quite appealing. It has been arranged very nicely. And the moment you look at this, you come to know, acha, this poster is about noise pollution. Yeah, this poster is about smoking. So the message has to be very, very clear. Let's see this one. So a very common one, this is about say no to drugs. Draft a poster to attract the attention of the public to the damaging effects of drug addiction. So they have made this nice big picture over here. So see, one thing that you all need to understand, my dear students, is that children who are creative, children who have a good hand at sketching and drawing, and they are creative, they can do the posters in beautiful ways. If you're not creative, that's okay, that's all right. But if you have a good hand at sketching or drawing, I think then you can do it like really well. So it says, say no to drugs. So apparently these are some pills, some sort of alcohol or something. And then here it says what are drugs doing. Drugs have ruined many families. Drugs have killed millions of young men. Drugs promote crime. Drugs wreck physically and mentally. And then it says shun drugs for a happy future. Shun matlab दूर करो, भगाओ, अलग करो अपने से. And then it says for guidance, contact Goyal De-Addiction Center, 28 Gujral Nagar, Jalandhar. So it could also be the health ministry, but here it is a de-addiction center who have given us a poster promoting their rehab, their de-addiction center, where they will help people to get rid of drugs. So that was one question. So again I have highlighted the issuing authority. Let's see here. So this one says, let's see the question. Repeated earthquakes in India and elsewhere have resulted in unprecedented damage and destruction to both life and property. Educating people on the precautions to be taken is the need of the hour. Prepare a poster in not more than 50 words for creating the awareness. So we have to create awareness on earthquakes. So earthquakes are worst enemies. See now here, it's a full page poster. You can see how nicely the borders are done, the arrangement of information. Look at the fonts. You have the font is slightly slanting here. Here it's a different font, and the points are equally important. Families are wiped out, towns are reduced to rubble. Survivors suffer endlessly, roads get damaged, bridges collapse, power and water lines get snapped. Survivors have to face bleak future epidemics. You see this disturbing picture of wreckage in an earthquake. What are the timely precautions you need to take? Earthquake proof houses need to be built. Early warning systems may be installed if possible. We should not panic during earthquake. We should not try to run out. We should seek the nearest safest places. Relief operations should be quick and well coordinated under a central command. Issued by SNE, a Surat based NGO. So again you had the freedom of putting your own issuing authority who gave us guidelines of the earthquake, of how to go about it. So in all these posters, the one thing that you must have noticed is that it is quite nice and big and catchy. There are some good slogans. Information is just to the point. There are written in phrases, not full sentences. And there are, some pictures which are drawn, some sketches that have been put up. If you can draw, nice. If you cannot, then it's okay. You don't have to worry about it. If you just have your information properly arranged, the layout is nice and presentable, and the content is just right, and your poster very clearly gives the message for which it is being issued for, then the task is done. So don't worry about the drawing part in case if you do not have that good a hand on sketches or something else. Now, this is easy. This is about the importance of saving water. Just a second, I have this page that is running from here to there. I'm sorry for this. Okay. So, yeah. Water is precious and each one of us must stop wastage. Prepare a poster in not more than 50 words, urging people to employ various methods of rainwater harvesting in their colonies. It came in the 2006 paper. Water is precious, water is life. Nice catchy slogan here. Conserve water, every drop is precious. Okay. Shortage of water affects all forms of life, leads to food shortage, pollutes atmosphere, spreads diseases, puts extra burden on women and children who are the carriers of water. Achieve water. Harvest rainwater. Close the taps when not in use, repair the leaking pipes, use water judiciously, store water in ponds, tanks and aquifers, and recycle water. And then it is issued by Conserve Water Society, New Delhi. So here you saw a nice poster on the importance of saving water. Let's see what is here now. So this is about... Okay, so the highlight very clearly says it is about Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Question kya tha? Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana has been made to help the poor sections of society. Prepare a poster in about 50 words highlighting the main features of the Yojana, such as rupee debt card, inbuilt 1 lakh rupee insurance, etc. So, अब एक चीज clear है कि this poster is about the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. So, a nice big caption. And it says debit poverty, credit happiness. So innovative. They have the sign of the logo of rupee. So highlights kya hai Jan Dhan Yojana ke? Rupee debit card inbuilt 1 lakh insurance, additional 30 lakh insurance. Second phase mein chal raha hai till 2000, whatever the year you can put. Join the world record to grow and let India grow. And see, very beautifully they have made these arrows which depict growth. So grow individually and let India also grow. Issued by Ministry of Finance, Government of India. So this is how, my dear students, you are supposed to make posters. They have to be readable, attractive, properly arranged with catchy slogans and phrases. You can have some illustrations. And if you're creative, you can have some lovely sketches and drawings. That is up to you. But if you don't have to worry about it. This is how your poster should look like. Very clear. The message is so clear. Alright, children. So that's one part. I'll take one more and then I'll wind up today's session. So this is about an inauguration. Okay. So it says... Lakhotia Automobiles are going to launch a new model for their motorbike in September 16. Draft a poster highlighting its special features. So this is the launch of a new bike. So the highlighted point is Lakhotia Automobiles launches smooth, inverted commas, a new model of motorbike on display in all our showrooms. अब बाइक के highlights क्या हैं? 220cc engines, wider tubeless tires, front and rear disc brakes, split seats, clip-on handlebars, available in 4 colors, free kit with every motorbike, stylish petrol tank, fuel efficient, save time and money. And here you have the illustration of this bike, how it looks like. और inaugural, because it's about an inauguration, तो events का detail ज़रूरी है. So time 11 AM, venue Lakhotia showrooms, date you give the date and you give the contact numbers. So here it is, because it is being done by Lakhotia showrooms, they have given you the contact numbers so that they can be contacted. So this way, like they are like endless posters here. So this one is on a scintillating cultural evening by Sharda Vidyalaya. Okay. Then this is about let's see, it's about eyes. Okay. Donation, eye donation. Donate eyes, donate sight. See how nicely it has been done. Okay. Then you have one on the benefits of yoga, very, very common. International Yoga Day, 21st June. And 21st June is also approaching. So if you are somebody who does yoga, fair enough, you can just go ahead with it. Then these are the positives of cycling, I believe. So look at this lovely illustration here. And then the benefits, left, right. Some here too, and issued in public interest by Government of India. Now this is something I want you to understand. Issued in public interest, anything that is issued in the interest of the public, that is what it means. जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं जनहित में जारी करता, तो anything that is in public interest, तो किसने करा है वो? Government of India. So if you are writing issued by in public interest, it could be anybody. It could be Government of India, it could be any NGO, it could be a club, it could be anybody. So please keep in mind, this is how your posters are to be done. And now I would be sending you a nice PDF. I would be giving you some high points that need to go in your fair registers. So you will put today's date, you will write the heading posters, you will put the important points, the high points that are coming to you in the PDF in your registers. You will do the solved questions as I am sending you them in the group, and thereafter you will also attempt the questions for practice. And in case you get stuck anywhere, please feel free to call me or contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay children, so let's get to work and let's get our posters drafted today and complete our work. Take care dear children.